Hi guys, I wanted to give you a little bit of an explanation about your assignments this week. So this is the week of April 14th. You had a theory assignment and you had a clapping assignment. So the theory assignment looks like this, okay? And you have to find the one for your instrument. So this would be anybody that plays in treble clef. This would be for violins. And then you find the one, let's see, 28. So obviously this would be anybody that plays in the bass clef. So I had a couple questions about how do you know which one? Yes, it's not labeled, but you have to just look at the clef. So you find the clef that you play. Okay, so how to do this? You basically follow the directions. The directions are right in the middle. So number one, it tells you to draw the G major key signature. We went over that a lot this year. So you draw what makes number one in the box, the key signature of G. So you have to add something there. Number two, it says half rest. So you draw a half rest. Number three says draw 2 eighth notes. So it's pretty easy. So let me know if you have any questions about that. It's pretty easy. Now down here, compose music. I've asked you to do a lot of kind of drawing music. Some of you have come up with some really nice stuff. So it says draw your clef, which is what you play in. Draw your clef. A time signature. Those are the numbers. So you can make up 3/4, 4/4, 2/4, whatever. 2/2, doesn't matter. And a key signature. Write in phrases using notes, rhythms, and rests you have learned. So they're talking about write in phrasing using stuff up here. But basically, make something up, use this amount of pages, or sorry, this amount of lines, and then you're good. If you do not have a printer at home, see if you can write down these answers and then upload it to Blackboard. Or you can print this out and do it on this sheet and then put it on your computer and upload it from your computer. So that's the first thing you had to do. Your second thing, the first thing you saw was this page. So this isn't part of what you have to do. This just kind of helps you understand how to count those things. So if you look at something like this, so for 6th grade, we haven't really gone over this yet, but I was hoping you would take a look at this and see if you could figure it out. So you see these little claps here? Those are silences. So this is telling you, you clap here and you clap here. 1 E and You clap on the 1 and the Okay, this is just a picture. You don't have to do anything with this. This just helps you understand what it sounds like. So if you take this out of it, it's ba, 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 ba. Okay? Same thing up here. It kind of explains this. That's this first page. Then I gave you pages behind that. I didn't even tell you which one to pick. So, for example, I wanted you to clap this whole page. Shouldn't take that long. And this tells you what the previous page was talking about. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So if you look at your music, I'm going to clap it for you. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E. See? Even teachers mess up. So 3 E and 4 E and Okay? So that's what I'm looking for. The second line, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Okay? That's what I'm looking for. Let me know if you have any questions.